All right, guys, we're going to do a little science experiment today. This experiment is called Walking Water. And basically, we are going to try to make a rainbow. And the supplies that we have here are 6 clear cups. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 clear containers.
Mommy.
Any kind of little cup will work. Zeddy's going to be my special helper today. Wave hello, Zeddy. Say hi. Okay. The next thing we have is a pitcher of water.
Can I put it?
Yep, hang on, Zeddy. We're going to tell them all the supplies first. We have some just regular old food coloring that most of you should probably have in your kitchen. And we have some strips of paper towels. So I went ahead and cut 6 strips of paper towels. We've got all 6 right here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to have Zeddy fill 3 cups with water, almost about halfway full. Okay, so you're going to fill each one about half, which is going to be right about there. Oh, slow down. So you're going to pour it like that. 1. Okay, now let's try the next one. 2. Okay, now nice and slow. Fill the next one. 3. All right, we've got 3 cups of water here. All filled up, ready to go. I'm going to turn it so you guys can see. All right, I hope you guys can see okay. There we go. Okay, now the next step is we are going to take our 3 primary colors. Now, if you don't know your primary colors, that's okay. I'm going to tell you what they are. The primary colors of the rainbow are red, blue, and what's that one, Zeddy?
Red.
Look at the lid.
Yellow.
It's yellow. Yep, we've got red, blue, yellow. 3 primary colors. So we're going to go ahead and put a couple drops of red in 1 cup.
I want to do it.
Say, can I do it, please?
Can I do it?
All right, Zeddy's going to squeeze a couple drops in there. Go ahead. 1, 2, 1 more drop. 3. Okay. There, look, it's turning red.
Mommy, can I shake it up?
Nope, we're not going to shake it. We're just going to leave it. All right, now the next one we're going to do is
Mommy, can I
yellow.
Can I do the yellow?
Okay. Go ahead and put 3 drops of yellow in the cup. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Good job. All right, so now we've got that one's yellow. Just leave it there, please. These kinds of cups are not ones that we really want to shake. You don't have to shake it. It's just going to turn the water the color no matter what.
Can I do blue last?
Yeah, I'm going to add 1 more, to that yellow. Okay. Now we're going to do blue in our 3rd cup.
How do you do blue?
So this is cup number 3. Zeddy's going to add a little bit of blue. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 3. That was plenty, honey.
Okay.
Good job. Now that one's really blue. Look at that. It's turning super blue. Okay, so we've got red, yellow, and blue.
Yellow, blue.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our cups in a circle. Now, I might have to kind of, we're going to put these, arrange them in a circle.
Yeah, but I don't know how to even make a circle.
Like that. Can you guys see it? It's in a circle. Okay, and then we're going to add the empty cups in between the full cups. So I'm going to put 1 here. I'm going to put 1 here. And I'm going to put 1 here until it looks like a circle. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what this looks like real quick. See how they're in a circle?
Mommy, I
Okay.
want to do...
Now, the next step is to make our water walk. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to fold them kind of like an accordion. I'm going to fold one side over a little bit like that.
I know what
And
the
fold another side over like that. So I'm going to make it even skinnier.
Accordion.
And then we're going to put one end in an empty cup And we're going to put another end in one of the full cups. And we're going to make sure it touches all the way to the bottom. Just like that. See how it's in that cup in the bottom?
Mommy.
There we go. And we're going to do the same thing with all of our other ones. What's your question, Zeddy?
I will try a syringe.
Alright, so I'm going to add my other ones while you ask your question.
I will just put it to wet. Yeah, and wet. Yeah.
What do you think is going to happen, Zeddy? What do you think the paper towels are going to do?
I don't know.
What's your guess?
But let's find out, because I don't know what it's even gonna look like. Oh, it's coming over right here.
Alright, we're going to just leave them. Now we're not going to touch them or pull them out. We're just going to watch. Alright, now I'm doing this one.
You need to do the wet one too.
And I'm going to do a few more, and then I'm going to show you guys so you can get a better look again. I've never done this experiment before, but I've always wanted to.
Look, it's a little napkin.
Okay, here it comes. Alright. Remember, do we want to touch it or not? No, we don't want to touch it, because then you won't be able to see what's happening. So remember, once we get the towels in there, you'll probably need an adult to help you put the towels, fold up your towels and put them in. You could always fold your towels up before you begin too. That would make it a little easier. Okay, I'm going to show you guys again what it looks like now. Alright, so we've got a paper towel, kind of making like a bridge between all the cups. We have the empty cups in the middle of the red, blue, and yellow cups.
Mommy, come
All right, let's take a close look. What's happening with the yellow? It looks like the towel is starting to
change.
It's changing yellow a little bit, yeah. And here's our red cup. It's starting to change a little bit red.
On my camera, we see.
The blue. So that looks like kind of like the water is traveling up the cups. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show you guys this, but that's what's happening so far. All right, so we are going to go ahead and pause the video, and we're going to come back and check on it in a little while and see what happened. So, if you are at home, see if you can guess what's going to happen. I don't know. It's a mystery. What do you think, Zeddy?
A rainbow!
Zeddy thinks we might end up with a rainbow. Let's find out. We'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so it's been about an hour or so, and this is what's happening. Kind of looks like the colors are traveling through the towels into the other cups that were empty. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more water to these colored ones just to see if it helps speed up the process. Alright, so now those are full. These cups are still empty, but I see some colors going on the towels down into the other cups. So, we'll do another update later. I'm going to wait about another hour or two, and then I'm going to check again. Okay, we're back. It's been about maybe 2.5 or 3 hours, and we're checking on our experiment again. And things are looking a little bit different. Zeddy, what do you think happened?
I don't know.
Well, we used to have some empty cups.
Here's
Now we don't. Oh, wait, what color is that?
Green.
Oh my gosh, so it looks like some blue water came out of this one and went up the towel and down in there. And some yellow water went up the towel and back down. And they mixed together to make the color green. What else happened? What other new color do we have now?
Blue and red mixed to purple.
The blue and red mixed together and made purple? No way. Oh my gosh,
Let's turn
cool.
this around.
What other new color do we have?
So we have red in both of these cups.
We have red. Oh, this one actually looks a little orange right here. Look at that. That's Zeddy's favorite color, orange.
Mommy.
Our red walked up the towel. Well, it didn't really walk, but it moved up and went in there, and so did the yellow. And red and yellow combined to make the color orange. So what happened with this is, can you leave them right there, please? Please leave them right there. Thank you.
This one's thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want.
We don't have to pour it because of the process that took place. So the water went up the towels through a process called capillary action. Can you say capillary action?
Capillary action.
All right. And that is the ability of a liquid to flow upward against the force of gravity in narrow spaces. And that's the same thing that helps water climb up from the roots of plants and trees all the way up to the leaves at the top. So all these plants in our window, they use capillary action to get water down from the roots all the way up into the leaves. So there you have it, folks.